of a very grateful nation, we extend sincere gratitude to you for your love, your service, and your record of extensive devotion and commitment to Jamaica, land we love.
I'm honored to be able to be considered for an award. I worked with culture from 1962, and in fact, is one of the babies that I created. And that is why I'm here tonight to once again attach myself to something that I did many years ago. I thank Minister of Culture for having arranged this show.
Heights of great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward through the night.
It's the sweeter, the victory now.
It is with pride and honor that we pay tribute to the Honorable James Jimmy Cliff Chambers, Order of Merit, as one of Jamaica's most talented and creative sons. On behalf of a very grateful nation, we extend sincere gratitude to you for your contribution to Jamaican music, film, and culture, and for commitment and devotion to Jamaica, land we love.
Greetings and blessed love to all. I am indeed humbled and thankful for this great honor from my own country. It has been a long journey to get to this point. And our ancestors have traveled even a longer journey. And that is why I am inspired in many, many ways to say, many rivers to cross, but I can't seem to find my way over. Wandering I've been lost as I traveled along by cliffs of Dover. Many rivers to cross. It's been so hard to find my way over. And sometimes along the way, I realize that I have to say, if the rebel in me can touch a rebel in you, and the rebel in you can touch a rebel in me, and the rebels we be, he's gonna set us free. Then it will bring out the rebel, bring out the rebel in me. And if I gotta leave you, I couldn't leave without all you wonderful, beautiful people. I say, reggae night, we come together when the feeling's right. Oh, reggae night, and we'll be jamming till the morning light. Oh, reggae night, your time. Reggae night. Reggae night. Oh, reggae night. You can get it if